Hey, so glad to see you. How are you doing? Today is a beautiful day. Finally, beautiful day in Moscow. Wait a second, Take a look at this, please. Take a look, bro. Oh my God. Let's go, guys. Let's go, everyone, guys. So glad to see you. Let's go take a walk around the Moscow as usually. Enjoy the city, enjoy the beautiful weather, enjoy the being in this, in our planet Earth, right? And at the same time, we're gonna learn English because this is like my main hobby, my main business in life, what I'm just enjoy to do every single day, and I guess you too, because like it's our deal. That's why we're here. Quickly plan today's mission. Walk around some beautiful places as usually in the center of Moscow. I hope we're not gonna see the guys like this, totally drunk guys. Try to name all the interesting subjects, situations, describe actions, verbs, in general practice speaking in English. I'm being in a crowd right now a little bit by Russian people who I actually a little bit doubt they don't understand, I don't know. In Moscow in general, like average person can speak English. Oh, it looks like something Chinese style. By the way, it is Russian word, but with a Chinese style. Wow. This is like a window, shop window, tractor, shop window. What we got here? We got birds. I don't know what is his name. Maybe it's not Strauss. Flowers, white, blue flowers. Some kind of pot. This is a pot for flowers. Maybe we can buy it. And this is a broom, but for what? Decoration. In decoration for your house. I would say like this. This is a coffee pot or teapot and cup, and this is cup. All right, in general, beautiful building. Oh, we can go inside, I guess. Let's go inside. Push. We need to push. Push and door. I'm pushing door. Again, push and door. We push door, and we went to Chinese shop. Yo, we in Chinese shop. Oh, there's flowers, like a tons of tea, like a ton of tea, different types of teas. This all different types of teas, all Chinese. We've got varieties of coffee, like from Ethiopia, Kenya, Brazil, Ethiopia, Kenya, Honduras, India. Oh, India. I got viewers from India, from Brazil. I remember, guys, this is your coffee. Some kind of bell. We can ring the bell. Okay, and this is exit, way out. It means pull. We need to pull it. It's pull. And also pull. Nice. Nice, cute store. Someone smart a bike. Oh, pink elephant. This pink elephant. And the monkey with the pink. What is this? Someone pink in the hat. In Moscow, there are a lot of shops, stylish, cultural objects in the Chinese traditional culture and style. That's widespread actually here. Yo, the same with the Mercedes. nice Mercedes, Angola. Angola, this coolest number. They're taking a picture. Probably, all right. Oh, so yeah. Pretty narrow street. Pretty narrow street. And like we've got also Dr. Pepper, Pepsi, yeah, Fanta. In Russia, strangely as it may seem, it's not banned. Yeah, I know. Probably we like heard a lot of like news or sanctions like several years ago, and currently it's being the same situation. But Pepsi, everything in Russia, everything. Dr. Pepper, you can find everything. Like nothing has been changed significantly, especially in Moscow. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, like that BMW in here. All right, and what is this? Like lemon. This it is fruit. Is a fruit or not vegetable? It's fruit. It's called lemons. We can add lemon in the tea. Lion's head pop. Why are they talking about lion? All right. Yeah, everyone. It's a pizza, Russian pizza. Oh, by the way, and this is bookstore. Bookstore. We can buy a book, and another shop. It's close, right? Yeah. Today, finally, weather is completely perfect because it's like it had been so raining for a week, really, maybe 2 weeks in Moscow. No, probably a week. Like totally rainy and gray sky. Everything is so gray and boring and bad mood. But now, finally, good day, and I feel happy. I feel happy just walking in the center of Moscow, bro. Really hope you enjoy this too, because yeah, that's our world, and there's so great opportunity to like for us together be united and learn English by exploring different cities. Like on YouTube, I've seen a lot of videos from another countries, like from London, from Australia, from Ecuador. I've seen a lot of the same vlogs. So now in Moscow, we can literally explore the world and just enjoy together and learn English. What a fantastic, right? Table with the holes, right? Is a hole. Strange table. And seat soft. Yep. Oh, and that's like a station for charging your car. If you've got electric car like a Tesla, you can charge it here. Right now you can see this is charging process. So if you've got Tesla or electric car, you can find places to charge in Moscow. Yeah. Like I used to think that it is not developed in Russia, but I see it is. Parking lot for scooters. Yeah, online just QR code, doing QR code and rent scooter students. Oh, there's a higher economic school, by the way. Check this out. Higher school of economics, and their students. They're probably graduating this year. So they've got this clock, right? Clock is it called? Yeah, it's gonna be graduation. Boy is cycler. Nice. junction. We've got junction. Yep. Already told this word, but why not? Refreshing memory. It was a junction. Crossing the streets. Cool. Oh, some kind of lamp. White lamp. Sagan. Oh, Hagen, not Sagan. Hagen, just Hagen. Right. The architecture of Moscow. It is like ancient style, right? It's not such modern, only in the like downtown modern skyscrapers. The rest of Moscow is European style of buildings. And they covered, you see, they covered building not to make it look ugly during the construction, during the renovating building. But look, this like Spain, Barcelona, or I don't know where, Italy, I don't know, Italy style of buildings. W in the comments if you agree that it's European style. Guten Tag, wir sind die Kinder, die gut Deutsche lieber singen. It's like German, because I speak German a little bit. Ich heiße Andrei. Ich bin 90 Jahre alt. We went to some kind of, I don't know, I need to cross the streets. Illegally, bro. Oh my goodness. It's roller blending. Rollers. Check, bro, this looks like dry flowers already. They forgot to water it and it's dry. Yeah. You can take coffee. And we've got local graffiti. It's graffiti style. Dirty streets, not beautiful. I don't know what does this mean. Oh, nice system. Like crosswalk, zebra, and pedestrians, lights. How does it go? Traffic lights for pedestrians, right? So we need to go to the park. It looks like some kind of church, but really small church. What is it? And the shape of dome with the golden cross on the top. This is science will help us. My boy, what's up, my boy? Wow, shade side, we in a shade, and that's sunny side. Shade, sunny, shade, hedge, sunny, flowers, man speaking on phone. Oh, they've got some kind of picnic, and they're feeding pigeons, right? Oh. What a view, look at that, look at that, what a view. It's like a paradise, isn't it? Also, some kind of red leaves. Oh my god. It is so aesthetic. It is so aesthetic view. honestly. And this crowd, guess what they're doing? They're doing sightseeing. The bald boy is a guide. He's telling the information about the city. Ooh. Guys doing skateboarding. That's cool. Round. They're doing skateboarding. I'm not gonna lie. Steps. Can I film them do the stunt, please? Oh. Yes, sir. It was great. It was great, bro. Oh, look, the police officer. He's making the traffic destination by the gestures. Look, he's got some kind of stick in the hand and regulation. Oh, regulation. Okay. Look at this. I guess this is president or some kind of guy from administration. Yo. That's why they keep in. What is going on? He was probably a political man, so we were supposed to wait. Once performance, look at it. So many people watching the performance. I don't know what's going on, but audience. Oh, it's like theater, small theater performance in the park.
Доктор Благово пришел. Он вновь жил у нас в городе.
It's theater for free.
Отдыхал, говорил, что
For
скоро
anyone.
едет в Петербург, что хочет
Yeah.
заняться прививками от тифа и, кажется, холеры, что хочет уехать
Alright.
за границу, чтобы усовершенствоваться и потом занять кафедру.
Let's walk around this park.
По-прежнему все еще любит.
We're gonna find something interesting.
Он ни разу даже в шутку не сказал, что он возьмет ее с собой в Петербург.
Okay. I don't understand what is going on and what kind of poem is this or
Царство небесное.
story. Excuse me. How was this walking for you? How are the city places and learning words, English words under the trees? I'm gonna finish this and go home because I took, I don't know, several kilometers of walking. It was pretty beautiful. Yeah, I enjoyed this. I enjoyed this weather and being in Moscow. It's so great to see you here. It's so great to share this walking with you, bro. Seriously. Thank you. Hope to see you again here. Bye-bye.